to take this forward.
Menteri Barim Ubadiru Unong Aijing Mud Jangka Sarkar Jylla Ubak Polling Do. Ula kentu badai bantau Khambun Kikenhun Village Defence Party bad Kikenhun Territorial Army. Ban penklan ya kurukom trekam yaki an kikanun hadian bala nangjur kikam baman persya yaki kenarin. Ula banjur kijing Donkam bakirki namar ba Jylla Meghalaya Kaduna palat kibor pulit habayan ucor bad kijing bun upait ba. Ubak Polling Do haba jubab hakabayadei bad kijing bitar kipait ba halor kijing ja ki badangshan persya iki kenarin. Ula ong ba gejing duna ki bor pulit kapenlong ba omla banbu pulit haman lagi jaka kham tam haki jaka bakhap nyak beriu kum hasor shelong.
The arms, the visibility, the foot soldiers of the police department should be organizations like the VDP. Now we have just 11 VDPs for a city like Shillong, with a population that has boomed and is about to cross 7 lakhs. Now, that apart, I have also discussed with the current Chief Secretary the need to initiate the formation of territorial army. I think these two will be viable solutions to this problem. Rather than society getting divided and one blaming the other, let us work in unison. Given the required ecosystem in place, Meghalaya and Shillong especially will continue to remain peaceful. It is one of the most peaceful stations in the country.
Ka Sarkar Jylla kalakular ban shimya barok ki senjam ban penbeno ya ki khaput bat ke Jylla Assam bat kalakenturu ya ki nong shongshnong ban penne ya ka sukasan ha kani kapor habakren halor ki jing ya kan at ki bala slam ha khaput Menteri Barim Ubadiru Unong Aijing Mud Jangka Sarkar Jylla Ubak Polling Do ula ong ba kathain lapangap kalalong gajaka ka bajur ki jing ya kan at lakumba katu ka nipor menta ula pensyai ba watla baro artli ki Jylla kilala ban lapsyai ya ki benta trong kajing perjing mud hakini gijaka kajing penbet kabapura kandang Kham shimpor watla kataru ula pensyai ba ka sarkar karaikut banyadai kajing im bat kajing dan jing em jong kinong shong shnong hakini gijaka bajur kajing akan an.
And as a government, we will certainly try to block all loopholes to ensure that the situation does not deteriorate further. And we will also like to appeal to all to maintain peace and calm. That area has been vulnerable for quite some time, but as you know, almost the entire stretch of the interstate borders with Assam, wherever we've had tremendous problems in the past, we have narrowed down on the areas of differences, but it will take some time for the entire issue to be resolved. But I'm sure the government is committed to ensuring the safety and security of our people.
Hanong ba Shillong barok kawe